There's something that I'm really missing. Remember when us two was kissing. Remember when us two made one, lazy on the ground. There's something odd about love when we're missing. Seems we've got, that's why I'm only whistling. So I keep my words inside of me.
A strong sense of client service, access to highly intellectual partners, and a strong sense of completion.
The relationship that you have with the people you work with, you always know that they're there, they're going to answer your questions quickly, and they're very responsive.
Excellent advice from different countries and a work together cross-border.
Responsiveness and attentiveness.
They provide us with good advice, and I think they're very innovative in their solutions.
What makes Texan different? It's excellent international tax advice, and it's just tax advice, so I don't have any conflicts of interest.
I think there is a very good experience, very high-level experience, and they are very committed to the clients, and they are focused only on tax, which is very important to me, and they are very broad way regarding issues they can solve.
It's not stale. They strive to be the best they can and to give bespoke advice, unlike, I think, their competitors.
Very, very personalized in their approach. It's that whatever we need, we get from them versus having to work with what they need from us or having to fit into their system.
More of a tax advisory firm that's more interested in a commercial result.
I would describe the conference in one word as a good opportunity.
Informative.
Excellent.
Good atmosphere, nice people.
As brilliant.
Excellent in meeting different people from different countries.
Stimulating.
Inspiring.
Lively.
It is Texan. It is the spirit of Texan. It is dynamic. It is pragmatic. It is interesting. It is funny. I think it's a 6 tax conference, and it is Texan.
1, 2, 3, 4.